Okay, so I think you've probably had this exact same frustration. You're trying to be all futuristic, you ask your AI agent to book a flight or something.
I know exactly where this is going.
Right. It goes to the site, it clicks the dates, and then bam, a cookie banner pops up.
And everything just grinds to a halt.
The whole process just implodes. The agent
Uh-huh.
has no idea what to do. It can't see what's happening.
It's the classic bottleneck. I mean, we built the web for human eyes, for human intuition, not for robot brains.
We're forcing them to be clumsy.
We are. We're making these super smart model guess where a button is based on pixels.
Yeah.
It's just not efficient.
Which brings us perfectly to today's deep dive.
Yeah.
WebMCP. It's this emerging standard that just completely flips that whole dynamic on its head.
It really does.
Instead of the AI squinting at the screen, the website itself basically hands the AI an instruction manual.
It's that next level of integration, and it's where AI stops being a toy and, starts handling real complex work.
Which, by the way, is exactly what our partners at Silk specialize in. If you're trying to figure out how agents can really automate parts of your business, you should check them out at embersilk.com.
Definitely. So WebMCP, it stands for Web Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge. It's being incubated by the W3C.
So it has some real standards behind it.
It does. And it moves us away from that brittle screen scraping where the AI is just looking at the code and guessing what a button is supposed to do.
And the actual mechanism for this is fascinating. I was looking into the Navigator.Model Context API. The core idea is that the website uses a function register tool to offer up its actions, right?
That's the key, exactly. The developer provides a JSON schema, which is just a very strict set of rules that tells the AI, hey, here's a tool, this is what it does, and here are the inputs it needs.
So if we're thinking in analogies, the old way is like an AI fumbling around a dark room, just feeling the walls for a light switch.
That's a great way to put it.
And WebMCP is the room itself just handing the AI a remote control.
Yes. The ambiguity is gone. The AI doesn't have to guess if a little piece of code is the buy button. It just calls the tool that the website gave it.
It also feels like it addresses a big safety concern. I mean, I get a little nervous thinking about autonomous bots running around with my credit card.
And you should. But WebMCP is built around this philosophy of human in the loop.
Okay, so it's not meant to be fully autonomous.
Not at all. This is for agentic browsing. The AI is your co-pilot. It's sitting there in the browser tab with you. You're logged in. You're authenticated.
It's just doing the tedious clicking for me.
It's just executing the actions you approve using those reliable, predefined tools.
The source material had a great example, the e-commerce copilot. So instead of the AI visually hunting for an add to cart button,
the website just exposes a tool literally called add to cart. The AI can apply a coupon or pick a size without ever needing to understand the page layout.
Wow. And that could apply to customer support too.
Oh, absolutely. Imagine filing a ticket. Instead of clicking through 5 different drop-downs, you just tell your agent, my router is blinking.
And it knows what to do.
It just uses the create simple ticket pool the site provided and fills everything out instantly. The severity, the category, all of it.
That is just so much more efficient. But is this just a future thing? Or could developers actually use this now?
You can use it today, actually. There's a polyfill available called MCPB.
A polyfill.
Yeah.
For those of us who aren't developers, that's like a patch, right? It teaches the browser a new trick.
That's it, exactly. It lets you use this new tech without having to wait for Chrome or Safari to roll out an official update.
So the barrier to entry is pretty low then. You're basically turning each browser tab into a little server that offers up its functions to the AI.
Precisely. It turns the internet from a gallery of web pages into a library of structured actions. It makes the web truly machine-readable.
It really feels like the web is finally growing up.
Yeah.
But it makes you wonder, if every website starts exposing its core logic as these easy-to-use tools, will we even need the visual web in the same way? Will we stop browsing and just start conversing with the internet to get things done?
It's a fascinating thought. The visual layer could just become a confirmation screen. It opens up a very bright and much more accessible future.
A huge potential shift. Well, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of the web, make sure you subscribe to the show. Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.